महाराष्ट्र राज्य माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षण मंडळाची मराठी माध्यमाची जनरल फाउंडेशन कोर्स या विषयाची परीक्षा जी आहे ही पुरवणी परीक्षा 22 सप्टेंबर 2021 रोजी घेण्यात आली। तर या जनरल फाउंडेशन कोर्स या विषयाची ही जी परीक्षा आहे हिचा मराठी मीडियमची जी क्वेश्चन पेपर आहे ती आपण यापूर्वी अभ्यासलेला आहे। आज आपण इंग्लिश मीडियमचा जो क्वेश्चन पेपर आहे तो पाहणार आहे। इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त असे हे लेक्चर आहे। प्रश्नपत्रिका कशा पद्धतीने सोडवायची, कोणते मुद्दे आले पाहिजेत, कोणत्या मुद्द्याला किती मार्क्स आहेत प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला, हे सर्व तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी मी सांगणार आहे। विशेषतः इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी उपयुक्त आहे। मराठी मीडियमची आपण यापूर्वी हीच प्रश्नपत्रिका घेतलेली आहे। तर सप्टेंबर 2021 मधली इंग्लिश मीडियमची प्रश्नपत्रिका आता आपण पाहूया। या ठिकाणी जर तुम्ही पाहिलं तर सीट नंबर स्टुडंट्स राइट सीट numbers in this column। 12th September 2021 question papers of HSC board exam, state board। E means English medium, subject general foundation course, subject code 90, entrepreneurship development, subject name general foundation course, entrepreneurship development। 60 marks question paper, 2.5 hours time and 3 pages in this question paper। So this question paper 5 questions, all questions are equal marks। या ठिकाणी आपण इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स पाहणार आहेच। तर हे पाच जशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला मी मराठीमध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे मराठी क्वेश्चन पेपरचे त्याच सर्व सूचना तीच उत्तर लेखनाची भाषा ही इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी देखील असते। Instructions: all questions are compulsory, all questions carry equal marks। 5 questions in this question paper, each questions marks 12, so 12 into 5 60 marks। figures to the right indicate full marks। जी फिगर्स तुम्ही काढायचे ती व्यवस्थित नीटनेटकी नामनिर्देशित काढायचे। फिगर्स टू द राईट इंडिकेट्स फुल मार्क्स। तर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही जर नामनिर्देशित जर आकृती व्यवस्थित काढली तर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला फुल मार्क मिळू शकतात। तर आता पाहूया आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। ए, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह अँड रिराइट द सेंटेन्स। ए, dash are mainly based on traditional skill and arts। Option: cottage industry, small scale industry, service industry, ancillary industry, and answer is cottage industry। Cottage industry। So cottage industry are mainly based on traditional skills and arts। Okay, next। B, dash dash is the group of customers having equal needs। primary group, market research, market segment, working group, and answer is market segment। Market segment is the group of customers having equal needs। 1 mark। Correct answer 1 mark each। C, in SWOT analysis the factors which are presented by the external environment are dash dash। strength and opportunity, strength and weaknesses, opportunity and threats, opportunity and weakness. SWOT analysis. In this definitions, S, W, O and T. S means strength, W means weaknesses, O means opportunity and T means threats. S and W internal factors and O and T external factors. So answer is O and T means opportunity and threats. Opportunity and threats answer. In SWOT analysis, the factors which are presented by the external environment are opportunity and threats. Okay. Next, page 2. D. Maharashtra Khadi and Village Industries Corporation KVIC is established in the year, option is 1962, 1978, 1964, 1982. Answer 1962. KVIC is established in the year 1962. Okay. B. Match the pairs. Group A, break even point. B. Establishment of Midcon. Establishment of National Industrial Development Corporation. D. Compensation paid to the employee for his work. Group B, 1982, no profit no loss, wages, 1945, 1964. Break even point. Break even point. No profit no loss. Second, establishment of Midcon. His answer, establishment of Midcon, 1982. Establishment of National Industrial Development Corporation, 1945. Compensation paid to the employee for his work. कामाचा मोबदला. Wages, मजुरी. Okay. नेक्स्ट सी. या ठिकाणी पहा, मॅच द पेअर्स. इच पेअर्स 1 मार्क. करेक्ट पेअर्स 1 मार्क. फिल इन द ब्लँक ऑल्सो. करेक्ट ऑप्शन 1 मार्क. सी. State whether following statements are true or false. True or false. 4 sentences, 1 mark each. A. Water transport provides door-to-door delivery of goods. True or false? False. Water transport provides door-to-door delivery of goods. False. Road transport provides door-to-door delivery of goods. So, water transport provides door-to-door delivery of goods. False. B. ABC analysis is based on the principle of annual consumption value of material. True. C. Exhibition is essential for sales promotion. Exhibition essential for sales promotion. विक्रय वृद्धीसाठी आवश्यक आहे. काय की एक्झिबिशन प्रदर्शन. ट्रू. ओके. फॉल्स. ट्रू. ट्रू. 4. Project report is not necessary for the creation of business earning. False. Project report is not necessary for the creation of business earning. False. Project report is necessary for the creation of business earning. So this sentence is false. Okay. Question 2. Define and explain any four. Define and explain any four. Each marks 3. Total marks 12. Self-employment. Write definition of self-employment. 1 mark. And explain of self-employment 2 marks. B. Market research. Write definition of market research 1 mark. Explanation of market research 2 marks. C. Break even point. No profit, no loss point. Break even point. Is this point of no profit, no loss called break even point? Definition 1 mark and explanation of break even point 2 marks. D. Planning of purchase material. Planning of purchase material. Purchase material. Planning 1 mark definition, 2 marks explanation. Bookkeeping. Write definition 1 mark and explanation 2 mark. Salesmanship. Salesmanship. Definition, write definition 1 mark and explanation 2 marks. ओके. तर अशा पद्धतीने डेफिनेशनसाठी 1 मार्क असेल आणि त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन त्या डेफिनेशनचं करायचं, त्याला 2 मार्क्स. अशा पद्धतीने 6 पैकी कोणत्याही 4 त्या ठिकाणी डेफिनेशन विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन लिहायचे आहेत आणि प्रत्येक डेफिनेशन विथ एक्सप्लेनेशनला 3 मार्क. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला 12 मार्क मिळू शकतात. तर या ठिकाणी पेज नंबर 2 झालेला आहे. पेज 3 and question number 3 also. Write short notes any four, 12 marks. Given 6 short notes and write any 4 short notes. Each short notes 3 marks. A. Cottage and small scale industries. Cottage and small scale industries. Write cottage industries, traditional skill and method, help family members, working in family members, provide employee in rural, family and local market. Okay, 1.5 mark. And small scale industries, urban centers, machinery availability, modern technique, employment, sells different market. Sells different market means district level market, state level market, national market and international market also provides for small scale industries. Employment, local and district level employment also required. Cottage industries 1.5 marks and small scale industries 1.5 marks. B. Types of consumer as per gender. As per gender with explanation. 2 types of consumer as per gender. 1 male consumer and second female consumer. Write explanation of male consumer and female consumer. Male consumer with explanation 1.5 marks, female consumer with explanation 1.5 marks. Total 3 marks. C. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, SWOT. S means strength, W means weaknesses, O opportunity, T threats with explanation. S and W internal factors, O and T external factors. Write explanations of strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threats. 3 marks of this question. D. Functions of District Industry Center, DIC. Registration, new industry, provide capital, provide subsidiary in taxes, provide margin capital, provide facilities of entrepreneur, establishment industries area, help unemployed people, training program. 3 marks. Write any 6 point. half marks each point, total 3 marks. E. Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. Introduction of IDBI 1 marks and function any 4 half mark each, total 3 marks. Industrial Development Bank of India provide loan for industries, entrepreneur, provide facilities in industries, provide subsidiary taxes, help unemployed people, and training program also arrange in the industrial area. Total 3 marks. Any functions any 4 half mark is 2 marks and introduction of IDBI 1 mark. Bin card. Introduction of bin card 1 marks and explanation 2 marks. In the explanation 4 points: record rooms, running balance, purchase and provide goods designed to be used, warehouse, provide receipt of goods, stock on hand record, and check stocks. Okay. Question number 4. Answer in brief. Any 4, 12 marks. A. Explain the importance of skills. Explain the importance of skills. Explain any 6 importance of skills, half mark each, total 3 marks. B. Explain the sources of ideas for the selection of project. Sources of ideas for selection of project. Write various sources of ideas, establishment of for projects, entrepreneur ideas, internet, by TV, computer. Write any 6 point, half mark each. C. Write procedure in setting up an enterprise. Procedure in setting up enterprise. Search for business idea, research, place of profit and layout, financial planning, NOC, registration, labor, market research. Write any 6 point, half mark each. D. Write advantage of peaceful relationship between employer and employee. Advantage of peaceful relation between employer and employee. Write any 6 advantages of employer for employees for society. Each half marks, total 3 marks. E. Write process of recruitment. Process of recruitment. Vacant post, advertise in newspaper or other sources, development of sources, application, verification, written test, interview, medical test, references and appointment. 3 marks. Correct answer 3 marks. F. Explain the difference between water transport and air transport. Write any 3 difference point, each mark, each 1 mark. Write 3 points of water transport and difference 3 points of air transport. Okay, 3 marks. Question number 5, broad question type, 12 marks. Question 5. Answer the following questions. A. Write advantage and disadvantage of rail transport. Write any 6 advantage of rail transport, half mark each, total 3 marks, and write 6 disadvantage of rail transport, half mark each, total 3 marks, and total advantage 3 plus disadvantage 3, total 6 marks. B. What is meant by budgetary control? Explain its advantage. Budgetary control. Introduction of budgetary control 1 marks, and meaning and definition 1 marks, and explanation 4 marks. In this explanation, importance of budgetary control, planning, coordination, communication, measurement of employee efficiency, enhanced efficiency, control of production cost, motivation, maximization of profit, forecasting credit needs. Write any 4 points, 1 mark each with explanation, total marks 6. Write any 4 points, 1 mark each, 4 point plus introduction 1 marks plus meaning and definition 1 marks, total 6 marks. Okay. Or question number 5, A. Explain the functions of marketing. Functions of marketing 6 marks. Standardization, trademarks, name of product, distribution, financing, packing, market research, printing, storing, packing, product and service management, promotion, selling, insurance, advertisement of goods. Write any 6 points with explanation, 6 marks. B. Write a detailed note on elements of project report. Elements of project report 6 marks. Introduction, information about project, details of production, place, building, machinery, raw material, labor, water supply, electricity, transport, storage, tax, market, finance, fixed land, working capital, evaluation of project. Write any 6 point, 1 mark each, total marks 6. Question number 5. Upper A and B or lower A and B. Write correct answer, but 2 questions in sub questions. Write 2 sub questions, upper A and B or lower A and B. अलग लक्षात. प्रश्न 5वा जो आहे तो 12 मार्काचाच आहे, पण त्याच्यामध्ये प्रश्न 5व्यामध्ये जे ए आणि बी दिलेले आहेत 6 मार्काला, एकतर ते सोडवा किंवा खालच्या बाजूला प्रश्न 5वा और नंतर जो दिलेला ए आणि बी ते दोन्ही सोडवा. वरच्यातलं एक आणि खालच्यातलं एक असं कधी करायचं नाही. तसं जर केलं तर कोणतेही एकच मार्क जे जास्त असतील ते धरले जातात. अलग लक्षात. त्यामुळं जे अगोदर विचार करायचा, प्रश्न 5व्यामधले वरचे ए आणि बी दोन्ही येतात, एक जर येत असेल तर ते विचार सोडून द्यायचा, खालचे बघायचे ए आणि बी, हे जर दोन्ही येत असेल तर खालचे ए आणि बी सोडवायचं. अलग लक्षात. जे सोपे असतील आणि दोन्ही येत असतील तेच सोडवायचे. वरच्यातलं एक खालच्यातलं एक असं अजिबात करायचं नाही, नाहीतर मार्क जातात. ओके. तर अशा पद्धतीने ही इंग्लिश मीडियमचा क्वेश्चन पेपर आपण पाहिलेला आहे.
22 सप्टेंबर के. हाँ
ओके. तर सर्वांनी व्यवस्थितपणे हा पेपर सरावासाठी देखील सोडवायचा.